today I'm going to be doing something kind of a little bit different than what I normally do. You'll see I got this wooden dresser here, or shelf, using the clothing dresser. I found it on the curb not too far from my house on the way back home yesterday, and it's just got a little bit of surface mold spots on it, and I'm not sure why the guy got rid of it, because it's really nice, or at least it feels nice and sturdy. This is real wood. It's not hardwood, but it seems like a pretty nice piece of furniture here, so I think it's worth sanding everything down and then maybe staining it to looks way better with this dark walnut, I think is the name of the stain. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is wipe it down some of the high spots of this toilet paper, kind of use it as sandpaper, but it's not actually going to bite into anything. And hopefully it'll make everything level, and I'll let it dry off. I'm currently using my homemade swamp cooler as a fan to kind of keep everything dry. I'm obviously not using the water droplet portion on there, but yeah, this is basically just keeping everything dry and probably going to help with the drying time on this stain. So if you're interested in building something like that, check out my other video. Other than that, I'm going to go ahead and wipe the rest of the thing. Just going to go ahead and let it dry the rest of the way in the sun, but I think things looking good. Can't wait to get this thing put up in my room. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps out. Other than that, hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. God bless.